All you have to do is sign up to this platform that I've never shown before in this channel. Follow the steps in this video and you'll be able to get paid big money again and again with absolute ease. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You should definitely stay all the way until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so you won't get confused and if you really want to make this work. So if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. Before we go to the website and try to figure things out by yourself, I urge you to first watch this video, because I explained a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free, plus bonus tips to make more money faster, and step-by-step examples. With all of that said, now let's jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today, I will show you how you can make money in complete passive income with affiliate marketing. And in this tutorial, I will be using a site called socialplus.net as an example. But it's very important for me to note that you do not have to use this particular platform, even though it is an awesome site to promote as an affiliate, and one of the best at that. You can promote anything you want to. In fact, you don't have to promote a website in particular. You can go on digitstore24.com or clickbank.com to find some digital products to promote. What you're promoting does not make too much of a difference with this strategy, and you will see why that is soon enough. Anyhow, I will be going along with socialplus.net here, and what this is. You can see immediately when you come on their homepage. This site helps boost your rankings on both YouTube and Instagram. You can come on here and buy stuff like YouTube likes, views, comments, subscribers, or Instagram followers. And something worth noting is that the views, subs, and all that are 100% real, so they're not selling fake stuff whatsoever. On Instagram, for example, as you can see here, they will get you a set number of followers through promotion, meaning that they are real followers. With that said, you can come on here and read all about this site and all the features it has to offer its customers. But since we want to promote it, they aren't really that relevant for us. And so let's go to the point. The first thing you want to do when you come onto this site is click on affiliates right up here. And it's the very next page where you'll be able to see why this site is so good to promote as an affiliate. It offers 50% commissions, which is outright insane. The average commission rate falls literally below 30% or so. And here's the platform offering nearly double that number. The commissions are awesome, to say the least. But it only gets better from here, since this site helps us, both people on YouTube and Instagram. This means that you have a huge customer pool. Instagram and YouTube are some of the most popular websites today, and this tool is useful for people using either of them, meaning that you will have no shortage of customers, and that obviously means that you can make a lot more money than if you were promoting some other platforms. Something else that is quite nice is that they offer good support, and they will pay you on time, so you don't have to wait around. Furthermore, as you can see by scrolling down a bit on this page, socialplus.net has been around for some time. They've been helping users on YouTube since 2010 and users on Instagram since 2011. So as it says here, they have a very good understanding of how both work, meaning that this is the go-to platform for people who want to boost their success on either both of these platforms. And that means that is for you as an affiliate, referring someone to here is not such a hard task. And thanks to the tool I will show you later on the video, you'll easily be able to get traffic to your link. With all of that said, just before we move on, I want to show you real quick how much money we're talking about with this site. And I'll be using the prices of Instagram followers and YouTube views as examples, since those are the options most people go for. As you can see, as far as Instagram followers are concerned, the most expensive option is this one at $180, meaning that you as an affiliate can get paid up to $90 per single customer. So if 10 people you refer to here go for this option, then that's $900 made just like that, as far as YouTube views are concerned. And by the way, you can also see they are high retention views, which means that once again, they are not fake. The most expensive option is this one at $130, so you can make up to $65 or so per single customer. Once again, a very nice amount of money. In short, you guys, SocialPlus.net offers an awesome affiliate program and is a fantastic site to promote to get paid some real good money online. It looks really nice, which means it's appealing to customers. It offers many different services, and it's been around for a long time, which also means that people will be more willing to give it a try. It's just an all-around great site. To sign up for the affiliate program, just come back over to this page right here. Then you want to scroll down until you come across this section. Then just click on Sign Up for Free. On the next page, you can see that you don't have to enter in that much info about yourself at all. Just your email and your password to create your brand new account. Now that you have your account on this site, it's time for me to show you where to get traffic. And I actually have 2 methods for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The first one is a free method, and the second one is a paid but a far more effective one, and it involves little to no work. And I will leave the decision of which you want to go for is up to you. Anyhow, the very first site you can use for traffic is YouTube. And no, we will not be creating YouTube videos, so let's make that clear right away. What you want to do on YouTube is to search for how to grow on YouTube and how to grow on Instagram, since, as you know, SocialPlus.net helps people on both platforms, and you will now be able to find videos that literally have hundreds of thousands of views. And since both Instagram and YouTube are changing day by day, there will always be videos like this being uploaded from time to time. Anyhow, what you need to do from here is open up any one of these videos. You want to try to find the newer ones that also make sure they have a decent number of views. Here's one I opened up as an example. And here's the thing, each and every person who commented on this video is a potential customer. Otherwise, why would someone watch such a video? There's no point. And so what you will want to do from here is click on Sort By and select Newest first, since you don't want people that commented too long ago. And you will now want to contact all of these people, and you have 2 ways of doing so. Either reply to the comment directly or open up their YouTube channel. For example, here's what I found. Go to the About section and then contact them via their email address, which you will be able to see by clicking right here. Now, I would recommend you contact people through both of these methods. The reason is that not everyone will have an email address visible, and so what you want to do is contact them via email if it's there. And if it's not sent, just reply to their comments, and depending on what video you opened up, you will say stuff like, here's a good tool for growing on Instagram, or here's a good tool for getting views on YouTube, or this is the best site to grow on Instagram and YouTube, and so on. Just say something along the lines and then paste the affiliate link right next to that, and you will want to repeat this process for as many of these people as you can, and on many different videos as well. Now obviously, this will take a bit of time and work, but the best thing is that there are new comments being posted daily on these videos. And as such, you will easily be able to find potential customers to reach out to, and if you just like 5 people a day to purchase views, followers, or whatever on SocialPlus.net, you can make a very decent amount of money definitely. However, in this case, you've had a bit of money to spare, and you don't want to spend so much time trying to find people who want to use SocialPlus.net. Then I highly recommend you give this tool right here a try, and it's over at Wizardsoft.com. It is a paid software, but it's only a one-time payment. It costs under $20. It's more than worth the cost, since it will allow you to earn a lot of money by doing literally nothing. As you can see, through the use of campaigns, this will get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It's an all-in-one traffic solution that works in any niche. And this is why I said in the beginning that it doesn't matter what you are promoting at all. It's beginner-friendly and no skills or experiences required, meaning that anyone can get paid using this. And arguably the best part about this is that it offers step-by-step instructions, so you know exactly what to do in order to get traffic to your link. Once again, if you want to give this a try, and I do recommend you do so in case you don't have any money to spare, then as I said, simply use YouTube to get traffic and you will be able to make a very good amount of money nonetheless. Anyways, this is it for today's video, you guys. As always, if you liked it, you are enjoying my content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, Then click on that red subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.